If you're currently planning to buy a small drone, the DJI Mavic Mini might just be the device for you. And the Huawei Gentle Monster Smart Eyewear that allows you to pick up phone calls will be arriving in Malaysia soon. Keep watching to find out more. After a period of testing, Astro is finally going to launch their brand new Ultra set-top box that offers 4K UHD experience. And besides giving you a clearer video experience, the new set-top box also gives you cloud recording as well as new interface. I'm not sure how well it works, but during the beta testing, the 4K Ultra HD is only available for selected sports content on 4K. The launch date will be happening on the 13th of November 2019 and the Soya Chinchao team will be there covering this event, and we will give you the pricing and availability details by then. The Huawei Gentle Monster Smart Eyewear that allows you to answer calls and listen to music will be arriving in Malaysia soon. To answer voice call or control music playback, you can double tap on the sides. When you take off the glasses, it will automatically pause the music and it will resume the playback 15 seconds after you put it back on. Pretty cool, right? According to Huawei Malaysia, there are two variants available, which is the East Moon and Jack Bye variants, and both of them are priced at 1,599 ringgit. If you're interested, you can pre-order online starting from the 11th of November 2019 and it will arrive in stores on the 15th of November 2019. TM is now having a promo for its Unifi Mobile postpaid plan. From now until the 31st of December 2019, you can get their unlimited 99 postpaid plan for only 59 ringgit per month. To enjoy this discounted plan, you will need to get it with a 12-month contract. The lowest subscription fee for the first 12 months translates to a total savings of 480 ringgit. You can sign up online and they will deliver the SIM card to you for free. The DXOMark score for the iPhone 11 Pro Max is finally here. It has 117 points, which is the second highest on DXOMark. And if you were to break it down, the iPhone 11 Pro Max gets 124 points for photos, which put it among the top 5 on the current list. For videos, it has the same highest score of 102 points as the Xiaomi CC9 Pro Premium Edition. And to recap on its specs, the iPhone 11 Pro Max features a 12MP main camera, a 12MP telephoto shooter with 2x optical zoom, and a 12MP camera for ultra-wide angle. Both the main camera and the telephoto cameras come with optical image stabilization. If you are looking for a small drone, DJI has launched their compact DJI Mavic Mini in Malaysia yesterday. The drone is priced at 1,599 ringgit for the standard package and 1,999 ringgit for the Fly More combo. The standard package includes the Mavic Mini, remote controller, one battery, extra propellers, and its necessary tools and cables. And for the Fly More combo, you are getting the same accessories with additional 360-degree propeller cage, two-way charging hub, 2 additional batteries, 3 sets of extra propellers, and a carrying case. If you're interested, the DJI Mavic Mini is now available for pre-orders and it will ship in mid-November 2019. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell icon so you'll receive updates from our future videos. And remember to check out our latest videos right over here. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!